Hello my friend, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all had a wonderful Christmas and got to spend it with some friends and family. I cannot even believe we're in the new year, and I am so excited for what 2025 has in store. I apologize about my voice. I've been hit with this cold that will just not go away, so I sound really awful, but bear with me through this voiceover as your girl has a video to go live. So by the end of today's video, I hope that you feel inspired and motivated to tackle your mess and feel a little bit less alone in those everyday mundane tasks and the feeling of being overwhelmed that comes with the after Christmas chaos. We're going to get our houses in order for the new year, take down the Christmas decor, and allow our spaces to breathe. One thing I'm doing this year as I take down my Christmas decor is I'm working on decluttering and organizing all of it. So I have a full bin right now labeled did not use, and then as I'm putting them away, I will label the Christmas decor by room. I'm hoping that next year at Christmas time, this helps me to decorate a lot easier, and we will reevaluate the decor and declutter it next year if I still don't use and love those pieces. I am starting off by putting our Christmas village away, as I was not 100% sure if I was keeping the Christmas tree up or storing it away for the season. So I needed that quick win of clearing out some of the decor, as well as I actually needed this bay window for all of my dying plants. They simply do not get enough sunlight in the colder winter months, even in this bay window, as where we live it gets like really gloomy and rainy. So if you have any tips on keeping houseplants alive during the winter months with these conditions, please help a girl out and let me know in the comments what you do, because I don't know if they're gonna survive. I am not gonna lie, I never really organized our Christmas decor before. In previous years, I've been so overwhelmed and just wanted it all down that everything just got shoved into all of the bins. I decided that this year, that was going to change. I thought the best route would be to organize and label it by room, so that when I go to decorate, I just pull out the bin based on what room I want to decorate. So I'll let you know how that goes next year, but I thought it was a really good idea and wanted to share it. For the Christmas tree, my original plan was just to take off the ornaments, as this was the first year I was not completely sick of my decor on Boxing Day, which is when I usually take everything down. But this year I actually left it up for a few more days to enjoy it. But with that being said, one thing led to another on this day, and I did in fact end up taking down the Christmas tree. I thought it looked super bare and just, I don't know, by that point I was over it and just wanted to get it down. So let me know, do you still have your Christmas tree and decor up? All of that to say, I did leave a little bit of greenery out for winter decor, and I do plan on decorating for the awkward transition of Christmas to winter, if you know you know, because we're not jumping into spring decor here yet. While I am currently shopping for spring decor, and I have purchased a few because I know they do sell out really early, we're doing so with intention and simplicity in mind. So if you'd like to see how I do end up decorating through the transition months here, make sure you are subscribed. I also have a ton of DIY room makeovers coming up very, very soon. Without giving away too much, one of the biggest ones I am so excited about is our playroom makeover, which you will see here in January, where I'll be organizing the entire room, showcasing a better system for all my kids' toys and Lego. And we also have a living room refresh coming up and possibly tackling some of our kitchen here in 2025. So make sure you subscribe for all of that. If you've been around for a while, you know I am a professional cleaner outside of YouTube. If not, now you know. But as I'm taking down all of our decor, I do like to start off with a completely fresh, clean slate. So before I put my other decor out, I want to just dust the space as it hasn't been thoroughly dusted since I put out our Christmas decor back in November, as you simply just can't dust around a Christmas village with all that snow. So while some of this room has been dusted, like obviously the coffee table and empty surfaces, I wanted to do some other cleaning in here as well, as I was short on time and couldn't get like that really deep clean done, where I move all of the furniture, remove the cushions and clean under the couch, tackle the cobwebs on the ceilings, that sort of thing. So that will have to wait for a different video, as we're just tidying up and surface cleaning today. It's too overwhelming for a lot of us to, first of all, tidy up after Christmas, as we probably have allowed a lot of extra stuff into our home, so it's a lot to manage. Maybe you hosted a family dinner or brunch and you have all of that to deal with, let alone taking down all of the Christmas decor, tidying up, wiping the surface, deep cleaning your house. Like, no, give yourself some grace, girl. We made it through the chaos of the busiest season of the year, and you're allowed to take time with everything, and there's just no humanly way possible to get it all done in one day. So again, this is just your friendly reminder to give yourself some grace and just start by doing what you can. Just like with decluttering, don't look at it all as a whole, but break it down into those small, more manageable chunks. We are moving into the dining room on a new day here, and there was some laundry that needed to be folded and put away. I recently saw someone fold their laundry at the dining room table, and this is something I actually used to do, and I'm not really sure why or how I got away from it, but let me tell you, it is way less backbreaking to do this at your dining room table. Let me know in the comments, where do you fold your laundry? After getting all of the Christmas decor put away here on the main floor, it was time to finish just some of that surface cleaning. I am going to be using my favorite non-toxic multi-purpose spray today from Sage. I will leave this linked down below. No, it is not sponsored. While I have worked with sage in the past, I have purchased and repurchased this stuff like 4 times now, and I absolutely love it for here in our kitchen. I use it to wipe our countertops, our cabinets, both inside and outside, as well as I use it like in our dining room table and also on the interior and exterior of like all of our appliances. It is so versatile, non-toxic, and super affordable. So if you are on the hunt for such a product, telling you as a friend, this is the one. One thing I preach here on my channel is the importance of like maintaining everything, as it's a lot harder to clean if you don't. And this is just a prime example that even I'm not immune to that, and I can't do everything all the time. I believe in seasons in our life, and it's important to know that you're not alone if you are struggling to keep up on everything in your home right now, especially this time of the year. But in 2025, this is the year that we get all caught up together in our homes to create homes that are peaceful, calm, meaningful, and intentional so that we can enjoy it with our loved ones. This is also a reminder to myself to not allow my microwave to get this bad. Truthfully, I don't remember the last time that I cleaned it, but it's not something we use every day. So like honestly, maybe once a week, but it got really bad. If you are still needing more motivation, make sure to check out this video here on the screen, and don't forget to join our growing YouTube family for more cleaning motivation as well as decluttering tips and tricks on creating a simplified and intentional home. Here on the channel, we do all things home, so DIYs, decluttering, cleaning, decorating, and more. And I hope that you stay a while. We will see you next week for a brand new video. Bye.